Hello, Bring Your Trailer on YouTube. My name is Bernard and welcome to the Car Finder Garage. This is a walk around video of the 1987 Toyota pickup Marty truck replica. Just want to show you how clean the body is, how nice the paint is. This is definitely a higher caliber restoration. What's nice about this truck is originally black, so the black grease paint came out really good. The headlights, taillights work right now. The headlights and taillights are on. The license plate lights work. All the lights, signals, KC roof lights, or the bar lights work as well. You can see how nice the paint is. Ridiculous. Bed liners in perfect condition for the bed. It's like a mirror. The hubs are free and they work perfectly fine. That's the brake light. It's on because the e-brake is pulled up. So the memorabilia, the clock functions as well. It's been running for about 20 minutes now. Radio works as well.